Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 11 Pro and Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Do this all in one motion and make sure you hold the lock button at the end. You're going to want to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off until you see the Apple logo. Continue to hold. You can let go. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I feel like a hand model. And there you guys go, your phone has been force reset.